Recently, I picked up this dress shirt from Goodwill for $5. It's a Charles Turret dress shirt, so a good quality brand, and I'm going to show you how to take in this dress shirt in the back because there is a lot of excess baggy fabric that doesn't look good and is really unflattering to my shape. So I'm going to remove that and show you how you can do it at home with your mom's sewing machine for free. So the first part of measuring that you're going to focus on is with this shirt, thankfully there's 2 darts that are already in there. Those are from the brand. They decided to add some for design purposes, and also if you were to take the shirt in the future. But most shirts you're going to have to measure in from the side an equal distance, so maybe 4 inches. That's going to show you where you're going to put your line. But basically what I'm going to do is just follow along that line. I already know about 1 inch is what I want to take in, so I'm just going to basically just start pinning in the shirt from where that original dart that the company put in is. And then I'm going to repeat the same step on the opposite side. So now I have both sides pinned in the back where I'm going to take it in. So I'm just going to try this on and see how it looks. So after trying it on, I think I need to take it in just a tad bit more. So I'm just going to go in and readjust some of the pins and move it in just a tad bit more on both sides. So now that I got these measurements, I'm going to take out all the pins and I'm going to turn the shirt inside out. So the shirt is inside out, and as I mentioned earlier, here are the 2 darts that the shirt comes with. And so I'm basically just going to take those pins and I'm going to pin along the same spots that I did on the outside and make sure that it's fitted good. When you're using the sewing machine, you want to make sure that your pins are facing downwards so that they're really easy to pull out. Again, I'm just placing pins in the shirt. So I just want to point out a few things on your sewing machine. So this is your spool of thread, and this is going to lead to this, which is your, I'm actually not sure what that's called, but the thread is going to go through that thing, and then it's going to come down here, and it's going to go through the needle, and under there is the bobbin. Okay, so that's also super important. So you want to make sure that all your settings on your sewing machine are correct. For this tutorial, I am just going to use a plain 10 stitch, the number 10. I'm going to use that one because it's the widest and it's easier to take out if I make mistakes. So take your fabric, get it up here, get it nice and lined with that, drop the clamper, and then you're going to start basically just sewing along that line. Make sure there's nothing under here that's getting in the way of the sewing machine because that could be bad. So slowly start sewing. Go a few and then go backwards. Put it in reverse and then lock in the stitch. And keep going. You lock it in. And the first side is done. I don't know if you could see that, but there is a line there, and that's where I've sewed. Then remove all your excess fabric. Get this lined up in here, and then we're going to drop that, and we're going to get ready to start sewing. So I'm going to take out the first needle and start sewing. Then lock it in. And then lift this up, cut the excess material, clean it up a little bit, and then we're going to try it on, see how it looks. So guys, that is how you get rid of that excess fabric in the back of your dress shirt. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want you to remember, anything you want to do, you can do it. If you want to learn how to tailor your own clothing, it saves you a ton of money, so just do it. It's not going to hurt anything. It's a good option. Just go to your grandmother's house, go to your mom's house, steal her sewing machine. She won't mind. Go get some thread and start tailoring your own clothes. And with that being said, go ahead and hit that like button. Also go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.